I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and I'm hoping you're happy, healthy, and safe. If you watch me create this layout, you realized that I skipped this page because I realized I needed a 2-page spread. And then I was like, well, what am I going to do with this page? And you also saw this photo. So what I'm going to do is a very simple layout of just putting this here. And I think I'm going to also put this this ribbon at the top and the bottom, and maybe one of these. So is it straight? I hope so. I think that's good. And now I'm going to put the tape on this. I am going to do that, so I want to get close to the edge. I feel like with fall coming, I don't have the same amount of light in here during the day. It seems darker in this corner to me. But I don't know. Maybe it's just my imagination. Okay. So, we actually went out for lunch the other day. And we got vegan cauliflower poor boys, and OMG, they were delicious. So delicious. I found a recipe for the sauce, and we made it for dinner last night, and it's so good. It's so good. Poor boy sauce. Vegan poor boy sauce. And I just roasted the cauliflower with olive oil, vegan butter, salt, pepper, and I think I put paprika on it if I remember correctly. And then the sauce was vegan mayo, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, lemon juice. Oh, I don't even remember what else. But it was delicious. Oh, hot sauce. A little bit of hot sauce. Oh, it was so good. We each ate 1.5. That's all we had enough cauliflower for. 1.5. I was overstuffed after that. I should have only eaten one, but they're so good. I actually do even limit my vegan butter and mayo intake because it's still got fat in it. It's just not, animal fat. And I mostly eat vegan because of cholesterol, so. Alright, this goes like this. Alright, that looks pretty nice. Now I just have my ribbons. I don't think this is a short video. I'm probably going to cut out all my mistakes so it's shorter. Alright. Where's my little bitty scissors? See if I can get this off. I'm always so afraid I'm going to cut the ribbon when I try to get this little plastic film off of ribbons. I saw a couple of videos of like Dollar Tree, new stuff at Dollar Tree, and I really want to go see if I can find some of it, Let's see, fabric scissors. This ribbon I got at Dollar Tree the other day. There's some collage papers that I want to see if I can find. Okay, so I have 2 favorite flowers at the moment. My favorites are big giant sunflowers and little tiny forget-me-nots. So Oh, I see some of the glue came through. You know, it's specifically made for fabric. You'd think that it would be, that it wouldn't show through the fabric, wouldn't you? Oh well, it's not that bad. So we got that. This page is starting to look quite pretty. Well, let's see, these have metal things on them though. I also have little tiny ones too. Maybe a smaller one would look better on here. I could cut the wire off. I have a little wire cutter somewhere here. Well, it's like a jewelry thing. And I think I can cut that. So I could put that there. See if we like a little one or a big one. Okay, this one. Got this wire off of this one. Okay, let's see how this one looks. I think that looks weird. Does it? This one's a little lopsided. It's not quite in the middle. See if I can find one that's more in the middle. They're all kind of lopsided. Actually, this looks like the best one. Let me get that one. We're having Bethany having a, this one doesn't want to cut. Naturally. Our daughter Bethany's coming for the weekend tomorrow. And there's a little festival. I think that looks nice. Maybe I'll put this one like right here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So that should be fun, and we're going to meet our son and daughter-in-law and grandson at the festival. Probably have lunch or something like that. So I hope we have fun. I hope it's not raining. I don't think it's supposed to be raining. There. And this tiny one. Alright, so now I figured out something to do with this page that looks cute. Documenting my one and only sunflower. No, that's not true. There were a couple of other little small ones, but thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.